Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make strawberry cupcakes. Oh yeah, I love strawberries and I love cupcakes. It's the perfect combination. Really easy to do, simple ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. Before we move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my new videos. Let's get baking. Down below in the description box, you'll find a list of the ingredients and their amounts. To start, I have 2.5 cups of cake flour, but you can use all-purpose flour or plain flour. And I sifted this first. That's not absolutely necessary, but it helps to break up the clumps. 2 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then with the whisk, we will whisk that all together. You can also just put all these ingredients together in the sifter and do it that way. And now in a large bowl, we will add 3/4 cup of softened butter. And if you forget to soften it, you can just put it in the microwave for just a few seconds, and it's okay if some of it melts a little bit. And now I'll add 1 3/4 cups of white granulated sugar. And now we will add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I have 2 large eggs here, and I'm going to add in just 1 at first. And then add in that next one. And now an optional ingredient. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of sour cream, and this will help make the cupcakes nice and moist. But if you don't care about that, if you like your cupcakes a little bit more on the drier side, then don't worry about adding the sour cream. Okay. Scrape the sides. And now I will add in the milk. This is 1 1/4 cups of milk. Just until combined. And now I'm going to not use the mixer anymore. And then I'm going to stir in the flour, about 1/3 of it at a time, using a spoon or a sturdy spatula. And this just helps to prevent from over mixing the batter. If you over mix the batter, it can make the cupcakes more dense and not as light and fluffy, but it's not the end of the world if you do happen to overmix it. Also, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius. Rest of that flour. All right, until it's nice and combined. Great. And now at this point, I have 1 cup of strawberries, and I just diced them up. You could also just puree them so they're more smooth. I like to have the little strawberry chunks in there, and we'll just fold those in. And you can do more or less of the strawberries if you want. And then if you like, an alternative thing that you can do, which is kind of fun, is to just add a little bit of red food coloring to the mix, okay? Purely optional. You can leave it just white or a vanilla color with the strawberry chunks, or you can make it like a pink color. All right. Just until the color is nice combined like that. Perfect. Now what we do is we have our muffin pan with paper cups. And then what we'll do, just take a measuring cup. This is a 1/2 cup measuring cup. And we'll just come in here and go about 3/4 of the way. 2/3, 3/4 of the way. All right, once this one's filled, I'll go on to the next muffin pan. You should be able to get 24 to 26 cupcakes out of this recipe, or it's enough batter to fill up 2 9-inch round cake pans. Now I'm going to put these in the oven, middle rack position, and bake them between 16 and 24 minutes. There's a big gap there. Just bake them until when you poke it with a toothpick, the toothpick comes out clean. Check them first at 16 minutes and then go on from there. On to that step. And when they come out of the oven, they will look something like this. Let them cool in the pan for about 5 minutes or so, and then remove them and place them on a cookie rack to cool completely. And then I made some simple buttercream frosting. I have a link to that down below where you can find that recipe. And then I'm just going to decorate a few of these. I'm not going to do all of them. Because I like eating some of these unfrosted. The cake is so good by itself. And you can pile that frosting on as high as you want. And then you can come in here and take a small strawberry if you want. And make a little hat if you want. Or take bits of strawberry. You know, just maybe put 1 piece of strawberry in there. A lot of ways that you can decorate these. And there we go, strawberry cupcakes. And now I want to show you what the inside of one of them looks like. Open it up. It's very nice and moist, and it's soft, very soft and fluffy. It's not dense at all. I didn't overmix the batter. Take a bite. Look at that, you see the bits of strawberry in there. Ooh, so good. All right, the strawberry cupcakes are done and turned out fantastic. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into one of these. Oh yeah. I think I'll grab this one right here with some frosting and a little piece of strawberry right there in the middle. Take a giant bite. So good.